In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix encoding overloaded error in OBS Studios updated. If you've seen the encoding overloaded warning, it means your system can't keep up with the settings you're using. We'll quickly tune OBS so it runs smoothly without tanking quality. Start by opening OBS Studio, head to Settings, then Video. Here, lower the output. Scaled resolution from 1920 by 1080 to 1280 by 720. This change alone cuts the pixels your encoder has to handle by more than half, dramatically reducing CPU or GPU load. You can keep your base canvas resolution at your monitor's native size. We're only scaling what gets recorded or streamed. While you're here, change the common FPS values from 60 to 30. Having the frame rate is a big win for performance and still looks great for most content, especially talking head videos, tutorials, and many games. Next, go to Settings, then Output. Set output mode to advanced so you can access the full encoder options. Under the streaming or recording tab you're using, switch the encoder from software X264 to a hardware option if it's available. Choose NVIDIA nvenc H264, AMD, or Intel QuickSync. Hardware encoders offload work to your GPU, freeing your CPU and almost always eliminating the overloaded warning. If you don't see these options, make sure your graphics drivers and OBS are up to date. If you're staying on X264, or if you still need more headroom, adjust the encoder preset. Select faster, super fast, or ultra fast. The rule of thumb is simple. The faster the preset, the less CPU it uses, with a small trade-off in compression efficiency. Start with faster, test, and only move to super fast or ultra fast if the warning persists. Give OBS a little scheduling priority by running it as an administrator. Close OBS, then right-click the shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This helps OBS compete with demanding games and background tasks. Free up resources by closing web browsers, especially heavy tabs, other streaming or capture software, and any apps chewing through CPU or GPU. Even background overlays and updaters can add up, so keep things lean while you record or stream. Finally, in Windows settings, turn off game mode. It can sometimes interfere with how OBS captures and schedules work, causing stutters or overloads. Disabling it often stabilizes performance. Apply these changes, start a quick test recording or stream, and watch OBS's stats or the bottom status bar. If the warning disappears and your frames look smooth, you're all set. Enjoy a cleaner, more reliable OBS experience.